Hey, I'm Mike Finnegan, co-host of Roadkill and Faster with Finnegan on the Motor Trend channel, and also Finnegan's Garage on YouTube. And today I'm hanging out at Jesse's Garage in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I have brought my 1967 Chevrolet C10. It runs okay, but there's so much potential left in this truck because although it does burnouts and it has an adjustable suspension and it goes around corners really well, the engine could be so much better. So today we're hanging out at Jesse's Garage in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm here with the guys from Holley because not only do I have a Holley Terminator X in here running my Chevrolet Performance LT4, but I have two Holley 12.3-inch touchscreens in the dash of my C10. And Ryan and the guys from Holley are finally gonna work the kinks out in the tune, and we're gonna make big power at the tires of this thing. All right, so the story behind this truck is I bought it from a grape farmer way back in 2006, I think. And I've owned this truck twice now. Once when I was the editor of Sport Truck magazine, I built this truck with my friends. We gave it a tube chassis, 22-inch wheels, air ride suspension. It laid flat on the ground. It had an LS2 and a 4L60E trans. It was cool. It drove around parking lots and highways and looked cool, but it did not run cool. It did not handle cool. And then during a real dark moment of my life, Sport Truck magazine was shut down. They shuttered the doors. They laid all of us off. I was without a job, and so I sold this truck to my friend Justin. And Justin owned the truck for about 10 years. And I run into Justin and I said, hey, whatever happened to my C10? And he said, it has not moved since I bought it. It is still sitting in the corner of the shop on a lift with a car cover on it. I've done nothing. And I said, I'd really like to have that truck back. I got lucky. He sold it back to me without the motor and trans. And I got it home and I was all excited about it until I realized how outdated the build was. And so we threw away the air ride. We cut the front clip off the truck. My buddy Jimmy Bullard brought hydro shocks. And as soon as the new front clip went on and the hydro shocks went all the way around on this thing, that just kick-started the build in a completely new direction. I had a truck that could handle. So we put a Chevrolet Performance LT4 in it. We put a 6XD.com billet sequential 6-speed manual gearbox in it, which is just shifting nirvana. And the truck has been amazing. I haven't put many miles on it because the tune is not perfect. There needs a little tweaking to happen here. And so that's what we're here for today. So the new tune, he puts it in there, and from one pull to the next, we picked up 200 horsepower, like a light switch. The engine started easier. Everything about it was better, and we made a few more little tweaks after that, and at the end of the day, this thing now puts 567 ponies to the rear tires. You know, my dream is to go around corners really fast. I think it'll do that, but drag racing, probably not gonna be its forte. It's probably just gonna do amazing burnouts.